Assalamualaikum, our viewers and dear students. Today we are going to learn about the topic matrices, MCQs for the engineering test from the ABC part 1. Let's come we start. 11. FA and B are FA and B are any two matrices of the same order AB is equal to identity and BA is equal to identity, then A and B are to each other. First part A to each other's symmetric to each other and C inverse to each other and D skew symmetric. So the correct answer is part C. If A and B are in two matrices of the same order such that AB, so we have already discussed this property. AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix. Here B is called the inverse of A. Inverse of A, or A is called the inverse of B. So that is the property we have discussed already in the matrices. If A and B are in two matrices of the same order means square matrix or square matrix, so AB is equal to identity and B is equal to identity, then A and B are inverse to each other. If A is a non-singular matrix, and B and C are any two matrices such that AC is equal to B, then the value of C is equal to what? B divided by A and C B A inverse and C A inverse B and D 1 over A determinant B. So according to the definition, if A is a non-singular matrix, A is a non-singular matrix here means that A is not equal to 0. If B and C are in two matrices such that AC is equal to B, so C is required. What is the value of C? So it means that if B are multiplied inverse into inverse is equal to A inverse and B, so that will be equal to here is C are multiplied, so that will be equal to identity matrix. Identity is equal to A inverse and B, and C is equal to A inverse B. So the correct answer is A inverse B. C as the correct answer. For what value of K, the metric is singular K 20 minus 2 over 3, 0 minus 2 over 3 is singular. The answer is, what is the value of K? K is unknown. 1, B minus 1 and C 0. Singular means determinant of is equal to 0. If we find the determinant of this in respect to K 2 and 0, 1, 0, 3 and 0 minus 2 and 3, if we are finding determinant, so expanding by first first row, so K into 0, 3, 2, 3 minus 2 and to second row 1, 3 and 0, 3 plus 0, so 1, 0, 0 minus 2, or this term VR is equal to 0, so K is equal to, that will be 0 minus 6 minus 2 and 2, this will be 3 and 0, this will be 0 and 0. What is the value of minus 6K minus 6 is equal to 0, minus 6K is equal to 6, K is equal to 6 divided by minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So the correct answer is minus 1. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.